Sana all, wet packs ni Janine, soap kinis, at pinagkaguluhan. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga sa kagandahan at kaseksihan. Ibinandera ng panganay na anak ni Lotlot de Leon at Ramon Christopher Gutierrez, ang kapamilya star at TV host actress na si Janine Gutierrez. Pangmalakasan nga ang naging rampahan ng actress sa Bench Body of Work show na naganap sa MOA Arena nitong Biyernes, March 21, 2025. Pak na pak nga ang pagbandera ng dalaga ng kanyang makinis na wet packs kung saan pinagkaguluhan ang lahat. Naloka nga ang lahat at nagkaroon ng kanya-kanyang hanash. Please, join the Miss Universe Philippines. At Janine Gutierrez, you did it, Janine. Love seeing this side of you, definitely full of surprises this year. Can't wait to see what else you have in store for us. Stay amazing and sweet as you are. Grabe, perfect na perfect. Saan ka pa? Harap at talikod, ganda. Walang tapon sis. I only realize now, she's gorgeous. Same, I mean I never did appreciate her beauty. Not until I saw this. She is very natural and attractive. Itong sexy na malinis ang katawan, walang tato. OMG at Janine Gutierrez. What the F? You look amazing. Ito talaga yung kahit anong pa-sexy ang gawin. Wholesome pa rin. Di bastusin tingnan, grabe ka Irish. Para siyang may sariling ring light sa ganda. Suffer. Latina ganda ng mukha, proportion ang katawan. Super sexy and so beautiful, Miss Janine Gutierrez is the best. Siya ang pinaka-kabog. Agree. Wow, simply amazing. You're rocking the runway, Janine. You exude confidence, beauty, and grace. Well done! Congrats at Janine Gutierrez. Ito ang model. Grabehan na to. Love it. Super sexy niya. Wala kang kasing swerte. Eko. At Janine Gutierrez. Grabe kagandahan. Diyosa. Walang tapon. Perfect. The hottest and the most beautiful. Grabe ang sexy. Kitang korbada ng katawan niya. Natural curves and beauty. Sana all. May ganyang kakinis na wet packs. Total package beauty. And brain with a heart plus super hot. Darna. Next, magandang katawan at maganda ang mukha. Palaban sa action. Stunner of the night. Grabe, ayan ang Latina. Harap at likod. Napaka-sexy. Outstanding beauty. Ito ang maganda talaga. Nice body. Well, sino ba naman ang hindi mapapasana all sa kagandahan, kaseksihan at kakinisan ng isang Janine Gutierrez na masasabi ngang perfect. Kaya naman hindi katakataka na lalong ma-inlove at mahumaling ang isang Jericho Rosales sa Latina beauty ni Janine. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.